In good health, ragweed allergies are picking up and a contagious virus is hitting hard in kids and some adults too.
Dr. Frank Majorja is outside with a closer look at what's going around where you live.
Local doctors are seeing a lot of cases of hand, foot, and mouth disease lately, and that's not unusual at this time of year, but it's sidelining a lot of kids and some adults for those precious last weeks of summer. In Wayne County Children's Hospital is seeing kids with hand, foot, and mouth disease, plus asthma flare-ups and infected bug bites. Beaumont and Wayne is treating strep throat, and Henry Ford, Pearson, and Cottage report lots of seasonal allergies and sore throats. Moving to Oakland County, Dr. Tim O'Neill at Clarkson Medical Group is treating strep throat, hand, foot, and mouth disease, and their first positive flu case of the season. Dr. Kelly Levasseur at the Pediatric ER at Beaumont Royal Oak is seeing children with strep throat, viral illnesses, and asthma. West to Washtenaw County, pediatricians at U of M report lots of fevers related to stomach viruses, plus many patients with stomach viruses and outdoor injuries. In adults, coughs and upper respiratory infections are hitting people with asthma, and allergy symptoms are also high. Finally, in Macomb County, McLaren-Macomb is treating allergies and asthma and many patients with varying degrees of dehydration. Henry Ford Sterling Heights is seeing children with strep throat and head lice, and Dr. Tony Bonfiglio at Ascension Macomb Oakland and Warren reports cases of hand, foot, and mouth disease. Hand, foot, and mouth disease is very contagious, so it's important to wash your hands often and, when possible, avoid people who are already sick. Now, most cases resolve on their own in a week to 10 days, but it can be potentially dangerous for babies and people with weakened immune systems. Back to you.